Are your Spotify playlists not showing as public, missing from your profile, or unavailable to other users? In this video, I will show you how to fix public playlists on Spotify app in easy way. The first thing you have to do is to go to Spotify. Here in this page, you will move to this sign of profile. We click on profile. Then in this list, you will tap on settings and privacy, so you click here. After that, in this page, you'll find this window of privacy and social. Then you will find here this sign of public playlists, so tap here to fix this problem. So this is how it works. If you enjoy watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon.